I'm in Venetian Bay. I'm looking at a this home for a buyer and for my wife. So let's go check this out. Automatically, I love the floors. They always do a great job. That's tile. And we'll go to the right here. Little den. Typically I don't like how they change tile textures, but I like that because it looks like wood on each end of it. And really good look. Nice big open plan. And I want you to look at this. They use laminate flooring on the ceiling, which looks cool. Different use. We have the dining area. I like this big open kitchen. I like what they did with the walls here. You got plenty of space for the pantry that was just behind me. Nothing fancy about that, but I like the walls here, how they did this. I like their cabinets. I would probably put just a cooktop in the island here, and then arrange in the actual cabinet area. Just kind of showing you what everything looks like. Paytas does this with a lot of their homes. They have the corner that's all glass. We'll go outside and we'll make that a separate video because the video will be too long. Here's the guest bath. Big bedroom there, double closet. Directly ahead is a 3-stall garage, nothing fancy about that. And a huge laundry room right where that door is. Another nice sized bedroom. And then we have a little bathroom here that snuck in on me. Full-size bath. It's a nice bath, a little small, but still nice. I want you to check out that ceiling again so you can kind of see what it looks like as you're walking through. I also like the glass above the sliding glass doors. Those sliding glass doors fold in on themselves. And then the part that I always like is the master. Now they put carpet in the master, which is nice. They did really nice work on the ceiling. Little sitting area here. And a beautiful bathroom. They did the wood tile in here also. Double vanity. I like how they do their vanities. It looks way more rich. Garden tub. Water closet. Big walk-in. But I want you to check out this shower. How huge it is. Good size shower. And we will end this video right here so we don't get too crazy, and then we'll do the outside.